how to download and install Bonza Airline app on your mobile phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can download and install Bonza Airline app on your mobile phone. In order to install Bonza Airline app on your mobile phone, it is very simple. All you have to do is make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. So first thing, what you need to do is, in order to install it, head over to your Play Store, and then on the search box type in Fly Bonza app, and after that you'll be able to see a list of search results. In my case, this application is not available in my region. So you can see in the top right corner of my screen, there is this icon. So this is the particular logo for the Bonza app or the Bonza Airline app. So I'll not be able to install this application. To install this application, all you have to do is just tap on it, and then you'll be able to see this kind of interface, and you need to click on the install button. Once the application is installing, all you have to do is wait patiently, and after that open it up, and you can create your account, or you can explore Bonza Airline app. So in this way you can install and download Bonza Airline app on your mobile phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.